No. Don't do it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna.
What are you doing? Hey, you almost done? Whee! Whee!
Where is my angel?
Hey Hamlet, can I get an owa owa? An owa owa? You're so cute. Look at all of those, your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie.
Who's that? Your turn. Good job.
Yeah, holla, this that wild man.
Hamlet. Hamlet. You know you're in trouble. Don't play cute now. You know what you've done. You are in trouble and you know it. You're not supposed to eat the shoes. You're really not supposed to eat them. They're my shoes, buddy. Alright, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do. Hey, kitty. Mango, come here. Come on. Yay!
Let you know you're not allowed in here. This is naughty. You're not allowed in here without express permission from Dad. Step up. You're being naughty. I'm taking you out. You're being naughty. Yes, you are. You're being so naughty. No, don't get in my face.
In Canada, we don't believe in finders, keepers, losers, weepers. We believe in finders hanging on a tree so that the person that lost it can find it easily because we're kind.
No. No. You're not allowed in here. No, you're not allowed in here. You know this. Don't laugh at me. You're not allowed in here and you know it. No.
I should never have taught him how to shoot. Now he always wants to fight. He gets mad if you don't shoot him back.